How to fix National Basketball Association app playback error. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store or an App Store. In the search bar, search for National Basketball Association. Move into this app. So right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing the issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once the application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. Move into apps. Tap on see all apps. Right here, search for the application NBA and then head over to it. Move into storage and cache. Right here, you need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. While clearing the cache and storage will remove all the unwanted bugs from the app, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on the app. But if your application is still not working, then what you can do is simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix NBA app playback error. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.